Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove caption on Opus Clip. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened Opus Clip, and then here I have added caption to this video. And if we want to remove captions, we need to go to the edit clip, and then we're going to remove the auto captions on this video. As you can see guys, I have activated the auto caption and I'm going to play it to show you. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, this is how the captions looks like, and this is for the caption. And if we want to remove the caption from our video, we just need to disable the caption like this, and then the caption will be removed from our video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove caption on auto. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove caption on Opus Clip. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!